come with me, let's make another beautiful meal. Maybe you have rice and stew at home and you're tired of giving that child rice and stew and you don't even know what to use it to do. Come with me, because today I'm about to expose you on how to serve rice and stew better. So if you have rice and stew at home, just put that rice in a saucepan will be better, because it will just be as if you're frying it afresh. Do you get it? Yes. So in that saucepan, after the rice has heated up for a while, add stew to it. Don't just conclude on what did you want to do now. So once you put that rice and it's warm, like very hot, add the stew to it and turn it together. Like put enough stew that is more than able to turn it to jollof rice. You get the style, right? So once you're done with it, put a bit stew on it and cover it. Let it simmer, let it warm for a while, maybe like 2 minutes, and after that open the pot and turn it around. So once you're done, cover it again, allow the stew, the second part of the stew, to simmer very well with the rice. Let it marry with the rice. Then when you are done with it, cover the pot, and in less than 1 minute open it again and dish that food. Your child will eat this food and he or she will be satisfied. Okay, so I'll come and give you a review on what happened to this lunch when my son is back from school. So I'm hoping he will finish it all by the time he comes back from school. And you know, now I must give him a topping of choice, which is plantain. So if I don't give him plantain, the tendency of eating this food is very slim. So but once there's plantain inside, he will finish it and nothing will be left in the plate. So here I am after dishing it. I had to warm stew and protein of choice so that he can at least have a bit of stew in the rice, because that is the way he likes his food. He just like that stew taste in his food, whether it's beans or rice or plantain or anything he's eating, he just like it there. So I had to heat up the protein in a saucepan, allow it to heat up very well, and here it is ready and ready to be put into the lunch plate. So I'm scooping it in right now, and I have to put the stew just the way he likes it. Then now it's time to pack the lunchbox itself. So let's pack it. I have to put in extra plates in case that plate is too full. And fruit of choice today is orange. Orange is one of the fruits that my son really do very well. Yes, very well. When you give him grape or the rest of it, he doesn't eat it very well. But orange, banana and apple to an extent, but you see, banana and orange is his fave. So I'm done packing and here we are. So today he's wearing purple, the color of the day. Every Thursday they wear mufti in school, so the color of the day is purple. So have you subscribed to our channel yet? If you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe. Subscription does not cost anything. It's a little way of encouraging us to keep coming here. Thank you very much for your massive support. God bless you. Bye.